guys? Well I thought I'd do an entry a bit differently today. So yeah, I've got a headache, so this reaction might be a bit different. But yeah, so in this video, or reaction, we're going to be reacting to the boys' vlog of dancing our socks off. And I've just seen the thumbnail and oh my god, look at the thumbnail. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell to get notified when I post, and comment below what your favourite drink is, because I want to know. So let's go on with the reaction. I see what they mean by the to like pick up all the balloons.
Good. I just realised I didn't make my bed, Alex.
Okay.
Just quickly.
Go on.
This is how I make my bed.
Carry on.
Made it. And today, we're making it, roadies, to the big times. So we're going to Pineapple Studios.
Welcome to Pineapple Dance Studios.
We're going to go to Pineapple Studios today.
Pineapple Dance Studios.
We have a dance teacher. He's going to show us the way of the
There's
Macarena.
too many books.
The discotheque. The hip flop, flip flap. Alexa, what do you think of dancing?
I don't know that
I like
one.
dancing.
We're not going to learn like dance choreography and stuff. We just want to go and like
There's
sharpen
too
our
many
stage
books.
performance. So we're going to be like, rather
Would you
than
mind
at the moment we kind of
lending
got
me
this.
some?
Oh na na na, oh na na na. But we want it to be like. We don't have the capacity to be a dancing boy band, but we have the tenacity
you're a
to
boy
try.
band,
That's
not
the
a boy
motivational
dance
speech right there,
band.
isn't
You only get 24 hours in a day.
it? Right. See you there.
Hugs!
There she is. Big apple.
Wow.
The big apple. New York, baby. Oh, dancers in Pineapple.
SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh, that looks so cute. And his hair. And he looks really tired. Crocodile.
That's the stretch you can do, but I know you're new looking. It's cartwheels. That's it.
I can't do cartwheels. Never asked me to do cartwheels. Pineapple Dance Studios. Yes, come on, Mikey. Twerk that bum. Oh. Oh. I love Andy's shoes. Andy, where'd you get your shoes from? I need them. All about them. Andy's me when I'm dancing. No, shut up. Shut up, Brooke.
That's our first dance lesson done.
Well done, boys.
How was it, Mikey?
It was brilliant.
Did you actually enjoy it, yeah?
He's wearing the jumper.
Yeah.
I got that jumper.
You didn't enjoy it?
No, I enjoyed the first hour of it, and then I got really angry.
What, because you're forgetting stuff?
Yeah. But it was good though.
Pineapples, see you on the flip side, peace and love.
See you
We've just found out Mikey and Andy are upstairs right now, and they're like, we love football. Football's so great.
They do that. You should know this by now.
And Mikey's looking after Blair's house right now, so they're going to go to Blair's tonight to watch the footy match for like 3 hours, and we're going to get them. So what we're going to do is we're going to mess with their room somehow. We're thinking tinfoil, but that's been done before. We're thinking cling film, but that's been done before. We're thinking of turning their room upside down, but that's way too much effort. We need to think of something clever
He looks
before
cute
they
in
hear
that
us. They're
hat.
literally up there. So yeah, we need to come up with some ideas. We'll get back to you on it, but that's the plan.
They're
We're just gonna do a bit of
bullies.
shopping in London right now.
Bullies.
Brooke's going to keep looking beautiful, and I'm going to keep being Justin Timberlake.
Justin Timberlake, you
Got
can't
a
be
plan.
Justin Timberlake.
It involves balloons. And what else?
Andy and
Flower?
Mikey's room. Andy and Mikey's room.
Oh
We're
no.
going to blow up loads of balloons.
Yep.
Which is going to be effort. We're probably going to pass out blowing up balloons. We haven't thought a bit through yet, but we're going to get loads of balloons.
Oh, look at
Fill up their entire
Rylan.
room with it.
Rylan's the
They're going to come back and be
cutest.
like, whoa,
They've been
wait,
so
look at the
close
balloons.
lately. Like,
I'm
what
going
the
to
hell?
pop them. And one of Andy's biggest fears is horror films and loud noises like
Oh,
popping
no.
through. So you
Right,
just
leave
wait
Andy alone.
to see his reaction. And when Mikey's scared, he wets himself. So,
Yeah, we're gonna pop you up.
We're
Oh,
gonna
look
pop you
at
up,
Ray.
mate.
Pop you up, mate.
Position.
Yeah.
Do you? Here's Brooke's
Goodbye,
face.
Randy.
He licked it. He genuinely licked it.
Hi,
Oh
hi,
god.
Rylan.
Oh, it smells as well.
He's gonna pop us in it. That sound.
I'm making pasta for me and Elvis, tagliatelle, and then I've got
Elvis
my
is right, what's his
got a
shit
meal
name?
smooth sauce, cheese,
Relvis.
and some
Relvis is real.
Oh god, I'm so excited
for
for
the pasta.
Relvis.
Go on, get it in. Oh, don't. I bet you steamed up your lens.
Oh,
Don't worry,
God.
I'll get you.
Oh god.
Oh.
Hello.
Man.
Do the dance that we did today.
All right, what with these on?
Yeah. Started with a. There you
Nice.
go. Oh,
Yes,
someone's been
right.
practicing. Yep.
Catch.
Oh god.
Oh, it's lucky there was a
Oh,
sofa
nice.
there.
Oh, you're lucky on that one.
Oh my god, right, stop.
Oh,
This is a real
No.
challenge.
don't throw more. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ready?
He's found them all.
Oh god.
Catch.
Oh god.
Catch.
No.
Ready? One.
Oh my god, no.
Oh yes!
Just about.
Let me film it and I'll throw them to you.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, their room is so messy. Lindy, clean your room. Well, Andy's side is a bit okay, but it's Mikey's side. Look at Mikey's side.
Oh, not bad.
Mikey, clean your room.
What are you gonna do about that? Run, Alex!
No.
Yeah!
I'll just find it if it's smashed.
Hey guys, what's up? So we've gathered you here today to explain our epic failure for the balloon prank. Didn't go very well because he came back and we only had one balloon.
Hi, Andy.
I'm part of the balloon prank.
Oh, Andy's so
Him and
cute.
Mikey came back early and we were like, and we just started blowing up some balloons, but Mikey didn't see anything. Mikey went straight into his room, got naked and got in the bath.
Oh my god.
And Andy was like, what are you doing with balloons? We were like, because we were like, now let's mess with Mikey.
Oh, leave
So we're
Mikey
gonna do-
alone. Mikey, I'm
we're
here
gonna
for you.
fill the
I'm here
bathroom.
for you, Mikey. Don't
When he
worry.
gets out the bath, he falls over and cracks.
Oh no, don't.
Or just like
don't
as a
do
laugh
that.
and like lands on some balloons.
I
And it'll be
can't.
really fun and
Mikey
joke.
can't die.
hope for the first.
So the plan that I'm now a
Oh,
part
look at Andy.
of is Rye's gonna go in
It's really
and distract Mikey, but he's actually gonna go and
I'm
hide
gonna whisper too.
Alex or Elvis, shot by Chimp.
Champ.
He's gonna try and get an over the shoulder shot of it, and then we're just gonna try and really quietly pop all the
Can
balloons.
Andy please teach me how he does his hair and his how he does his and also his eyebrows?
Suspecting Michael Caban.
Wait, mate. Mikey!
Yo, I go. Yo,
You alright?
legit. This
Why you got the
bad.
curtain over you on sociable?
Because we haven't got a door.
As? You got a candle as well?
You got,
Yeah,
he's
what
got
about
like
the
candles.
Why have you got shorts on?
We haven't got a door, mate.
Oh.
So you been chatting to any girls recently?
Anyway,
Fun conversation though.
why are you being weird?
I'm not. I'm just
It's
like.
me,
oh, what's
Ryan.
up, dog? Oh, you
Hit
got
me
it
up.
locked under yourself. Oh, I broke it.
I think you broke my curtain there.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Fix that. I can fix that.
You're an idiot.
Oh. It's so dark.
I'll see you in a bit, innit? Alright, mate, I'll see you in a bit, innit? Alright, bass man. Alright, see you in a bit, innit? I'm struggling with this door, Mike, not gonna lie to you.
Bye, Mikey.
Can't hear you, mate.
I'm saying I'll see you in a
I can't
bit.
hear a word you're saying.
Alright, see you in a bit, innit?
Oh. Music. What? What the hell? I love that the GoPro wasn't playing or wasn't on. Team.
And now we just wait until he gets
Teamwork. What's... Oh god. He's coming out.
Surprise!
Oh god.
We got you some balloons!
Oh, he looks so cute. What the hell?
Happy birthday!
It's September.
Da, 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 da.
What a
He
brilliant.
looks so cute.
Yeah, I mean, we assumed for some reason when you trod on them,
He looks cute when he gets out of the shower.
They'd like bounce. Yeah. But you kind of just went through them, and then nearly broke my headphones.
His hair.
Your mum!
He just fell in the bath. Oh my god. Are you okay, Mikey? Mikey, you okay? I hope you're okay. Oh dear. He shot himself. No. Oh my god, Mikey, I hope you're okay. Boys, that was not nice. Say sorry to Mikey. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment your favourite drink. Peace, love. See you on the flip side. Bye.
Girls like you run round with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you.
Brown's body so high the